Hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to turn on dark mode on Snapchat. So first go to your Play Store and write Snapchat and you are getting this app here. So open it. After opening it, click at this profile icon. So you are getting this setting option. Look, when you are getting setting option, look, you have to search for this option app appearance. Under app appearance you need to click on look always dark and you need to click on it, but there is no option for this country, right? If you are living in USA or Australia, then you are able to use this option under app appearance. But how to make this Snapchat dark? So we have to adopt another way. So what is the another way? Look, you have to search for your phone setting, right? This is my phone setting. Look here, phone setting. So click on it. Under the phone setting, look, you have to search for display, right? Display. So click on it, and under display you have to make it dark. So click on it. Look, everything is looking dark. Now open your Snapchat and look here, open your Snapchat and look, and you are in dark mode